Hi everyone, welcome to Sophie Universe, to the Massive Truths. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful side of yours to see and understand from my own point of view. Today I'll be saying whatever I'm about to say in my beautiful second dialect, Pidgin English, the area I'm comfortable in, the area I can flow with my brothers and sisters that are like me, that don't know how to speak good English or doesn't understand good English. Today, I want to talk about what I still see for social media. I keep saying it, things happen for us to learn from. And I believe personally say hate not get place for this my generation. Hate not get not supposed to exist for this 21st century. You and me need to fight them to make them go, to make more just make them lost for universe. May not come back to our planet again. Yes, we can do it. I just pray that you summon that good spirit of yours, that good side of yours, to see and understand where I from the come. You get wetin happen for Italy, where my lovely brothers do. My heart goes to the family of that beautiful soul, that beautiful girl, 18 years old Italian girl, Pamela. My heart goes to the family. I sympathize with you. I pray may the good spirits give that family the courage, the mind to take bear this great loss. Um, it's sad in my heart. It's, I don't know, I want to talk on the way some people say just lost this far. Now I begin to understand why they talk say money is the root of all evil. With money, you fit sell, you see said that gorgeous heart of yours because you want get money. Now I start to understand why they wetin they use that word tell me. For Italy, my three brothers kill Italian 18 years old girl, all because I don't know, I no fit explain am, I no fit explain am. Now woman born that girl, you know the kind loss wey this my brother, wey this my brothers cause for this family body. You know the kind pain. According to the story, this my brother, wetin be him name, Innocent, Innocent Osahale, from my beautiful state, Edo State. Now this my brother from come, I no fit talk say because he do bad now make I talk say no be my brother again. He is my brother, he is my brother. Bad as they see good, na so they see bad. But i I believe say every country good day, bad day. And I still use this opportunity say wan let people know say everybody, all Edos are not like that. They are good loving people as well. So this my brother Innocent, this girl Pamela, na be her name, she na drug addict. They try to stop her from taking drugs. She was there for, she there for house where therefore they take care of all these drug addicts. So she just spent 4 months there. automatically what she don't dey addicted to, e dey difficult to just let go like that. He can't come out, she can't come out, she run come out for there, and they can't find her. Can't see this my brother, Innocent Oserale. See a picture. He can't see her, can't tell and say he need heroin. He say he need drug to take. My brother no gets. He can't call a friend. Can't draw a friend follow body, which is Desmond Lucky. Can't call Lucky. Lucky can't get heroin. Lucky can't give heroin to this girl. Can't, I don't know who are the third one. The girl follow the boy go as street camera. Now see as the tay gather stay at the start gather go buy syringe. Street camera video everything. So after he don't call this boy, only God know wetin take place. This boy Innocent, you know, he can still call another person. That one Awalima Lucky. Awalima Lucky, now they call this boy. Innocent Osagale, Desmond Lucky, Awalima Lucky. Now they call the third one. Wait, just get mind. Key person daughter. Key this golden heart. Who see this girl? I don't know. As some people take the ask. For real. After maybe the girl take over, maybe they give her overdose. Somebody wey don't they try to stop this thing, it take am overdose, then maybe she can't dey unconscious. My brothers now can't dey fear. My brothers can't get mind. My brothers can't get mind. They can't cut this girl. You want hide them. If these people not fair they kill human being like them, if they get this love inside them, if they not fit today eager to get money, if they not fair they do am, they not fit just cut human being like them like that. Now the intestine they miss, all the organs wey did that beautiful girl body they miss. Waiting these boys do to am. After they cut am, they go buy a bleach the next day, pour am for this innocent gorgeous heart body. Somebody wey not do una anything, somebody wey not hurt una, somebody. And when they investigate this matter, do you know, say my brothers rape this girl. Now government na still cause this one. Not be government cause am. Now because we lack love. Now because we are too obsessed with money. Now because we too dey obsessed with money. With respect to my brothers, with respect to my sisters, wey dey sell drug, make una beg. I not judge anybody, but una dey destroy people children. That is blood money. That is blood money. You can do every other thing. You feel look for better job. You sell for somebody, but you know where the other person die. Not be everybody brain fit carry drug. Now make they never legalize them for some countries. You know how many people blood dey your hand because you need money. See pain wey this my three brothers cause for this family body. See pain wey they cause for this woman mother body. Why we this wicked? It happens everywhere. Not be say because say na Nigeria person do am, na make me one con dey talk like this. No, it happens everywhere. It happens everywhere. No me say because my brother do am, I come dey wan cover up for am. No, I be African. I need to talk to my African people. I need to make us choose love instead of hate. I need to do my part. I need to make people know, say, love dey Africa. You can do the same thing. My brothers and sisters, what will it profit a man when you gain this whole world and lose this that gorgeous soul? What will it profit you? What will you gain? What will you gain? These my brothers now, they will reach prison. The prison where they will put in a special prison. They go even, they pray, say, God, why you not put me for Nigeria prison? If na mistake, say that girl die, they cry out. Sometimes if broken plate fall for your hand, you know, now just, you go shock. If na mistake it fall, not be you fall by yourself. If mistake me fall for your hand, you go shock. Not to talk of human being, they unconscious, they carry knife, use am take hit am for her ribs 2 times, hit her for her head. This one is somebody daughter. This one of these people get wife for house. This my brothers get sisters. Wetin woman go fit do? Wetin woman go fit? Wetin that's this girl? I don't know how I want to put on. Go fit do 3 men, even 1. You get some women wey no you get this strength. Then you can't use evil to pay evil. Love must win, no matter what, no matter how hate tries. My generation must be a generation of love. So Italian guy come out because e dey pain, e dey hurt, e can't overreact. He just carry gun enter streets, begin to shoot my brothers and sisters because of a mistake where one of us do. Now this one I want to draw our attention to. Because I do bad, you no fit go punish all Benin people. You no fit come say because you see all Benin people now, all Benin people na bad person. Because that guy shoots now Africans, another African person will still wake up, say no, he wants to go shoot. Peace no go reign like that. You just still be like that monster wey do that thing. This boy come out, shoots 5 or 6 people. He come worst pass that 3 Nigerians wey kill 1. I am not saying I condemn it with everything when I get. I condemn that act, but don't pay evil with evil. The law, they let law take its due course. My brothers, anybody, my sisters, I know it hurts, it pains. It pains. They shoot our people. They shoot our brothers and sisters. One person I do one. You know if you say because one person, one Italian person do something, me you can say all Italians are wicked. Or as 3 Nigerians do this evil acts, make Italians or any other country come to say all Nigerians are heartless. No, they are good people. As they see bad for any country, now so they see good. We don't pay evil with evil. Why I still have this positive belief, say my generation will be the generation of change, will be the generation of love. Now when the Italians come us with other blacks protest, said there is no place for racist. Now there are people they kill. Now there are people they kill. They still say no. Love must win. The mother of the girl where this my brother's kill, she come and talk to press. Tell press say he not send the guy where he go shoot people because not be everybody not be kill her daughter. She no hates Nigerians. She says she wants make we Nigerians help her fish the killer of her daughter out. The uncle of that Pamela come out na lawyer. He come out, he condemn the acts of this boy. The uncle come out, the uncle say he no send that boy wey shoots our brothers and sisters. His name na Luka. He say he no send Luka. He said Luka. He said this guy now worst pass. He said you don't use evil to pay evil. He said that's why law dey. These are people with golden hearts. These are people with good and sweet spirits. They know, say, not be all Nigerians do am. Now this that kind hearts like me and you need to get. It hurts, it pains. Fine. I no want make evil win. My heart goes to my brothers and sisters too, where they shoot for Italy, where that wicked Italian boy shoots. That Italian boy not just the evil child like that our brothers we kill and brute they kill this girl. I don't get what for. They be the same. If you carry gun, face human being like you be devil in human form. Somebody will not do you anything. Person will just the waka on. See this my brother now, where he shoots.
Yeah, that was a Koso Kalori. So I went to go and buy cigarette that morning, and that was around 9 o'clock. So when I was coming, I hear first gunshot, but I thought that maybe it's a rocket, you know. So that one couldn't hit me, I couldn't feel anything. But the other one, I hear the other gunshot. Immediately I hear the sound, boy, I hear it on my right leg here, you know. So that is how I fall down. I was start shouting, those people that don't want to call ambulance for me. So I struggled to Army Road. When I got there, I met one man there, so the man helped me call those people ambulance. So they bring me here and treat me, you know. The guy shot me without no reason. Yeah. Man, I don't know. I don't know why. Not only me, we reached like more than 6 people that received the gunshot yesterday by this time of the day.
You immediately?
Yeah, one man helped me. It's like the man is Carabineri or police. I mean, I don't know. So I met it in the bus stop. So he asked me what's the matter. So I showed him my injury. So we was started controlling. That is how I reached that moment.
See wetin talk. He just the waka on the go. He want go buy cigarettes. He never planned for it. Make we abeg, my brothers and sisters. There is no room for this hate again. It breaks my heart to see my brothers and sisters they do some certain things. Let's say no to this hate. Let's say no to it. I beg my brothers, I beg my sisters. A journey of 10 years begins in one step. My dialect say eve hiri who dey no down or walk back here because I hammer today. You want just run go hammer when you never reach the years when I don't date when I say hammer. You never spend 3 years for the land. You never spend 5 months for the land. You just spend only 1 month. You dey for maybe 3 months. You want hammer like somebody wey don dey for 25 years for Europe. It's not possible. You need to understand the land. The first and foremost, you need to understand their language. If you want trade with people, understand wetin dem dey tell you, understand wetin dem dey talk. Stop destroying people's children because you want money. See those my brothers now, no matter wetin dem don do for Africa, it is waste. Before those people will come out for prison, before they will come out for prison, how many generations don't come meet them? I don't know. The time where they say no day, don't go waste time for prison. Don't go waste time for prison. And prison where they put those kind of people in a special prison. Prison where it be say they know they like. Prison where it's strong. Prison where it means where they will see, they will they beg God may carry them go Africa prison, may carry them go Nigeria prison. Now they will put those kind of people. Now those kind of prison they will put those kind of people. Wait till I can't gain now. I do video the other day. I tell my brothers and sisters, be asking yourself a simple question. Why will they do some certain things? Why will they do some certain things? My beloved father said, in love men, we get power, we not the fight. In love women, we fine, we not the flex. Why you want show your muzzle for another man land? Why you not go school? Why you go choose to give people pain to take arrive? Why? Why, my brothers and sisters? You will sit down and they plan evil. Ask yourself, does it really worth it? Ask yourself, after you don't harm this person, will you be happy? Will your problem be solved? You where they say you will never forgive this person. Like what he do you not go ever forgive him. What if the person die tomorrow? Will you cry? Will you cry? More we are beg. More let this love and peace reign. More let this love and peace reign. I just pray, may the good spirit put that loving, gorgeous heart, Pamela, in a resting place. I just pray. My brothers, I respect whatever you do. My sisters, I respect whatever you do, but think of the soul you are destroying. Think of the life where they pay. Think of the life where they lose because of peanuts where they give you. Does that money really worth it? Does it really worth it? Why you not just free yourself? Why you not just meet them, may they help you, than you they sell your soul? They look here, whether police they come, you are not at peace. You know they are at peace. If you never reach house, you know they say, oh thank God. Is that life? After you don't sell your soul don't break where you do the fear, then the person where you say something give still die. How many, which kind of fire you feel say God won't put you? You feel say your prayer God will answer them? Ask yourself that question. Ask yourself that question. Anything where those my brothers do now, will they ever enjoy it? The lucky. After this, my brothers don't do and finish. They go house, they go sleep, they go they reluctant. After they don't kill soul, they cut this girl, put her for luggage, go abandon her, still get mind, use bleach, they wash this soul, this body. Make them not just detect what you do this person. These people has been doing it. How many people they don't kill before? Human being like you, because you want to get money. Then this our lima lucky, come dey run. E take a woman near am, but you kiss somebody girlfriend, you kiss somebody wife to be, you kiss somebody daughter, you carry your own, you put am for hand, you dey run, you no even tell her wetin you do. How we dey this, why we get this hearts, why we get this wicked hearts? Why do we just cause problem to ourselves? Why do we cause pain to ourselves? Do you think that girl is happy? She not wish for that death. She not plan for that death. We will not take from her. They catch this Lucky for Milan. Why they catch Innocent and Desmond for bar, for beer parlor, after they don't kill somebody? See how wicked and heartless human being can be. When if you kill ordinary broken plates, your mind go shock you. The way you go take shock, you kill human being. You no shock. You carry knife, you carry cutlass. Why are we this wicked? Why are humans in general wicked? This one not be question of only Africa now. I don't throw with Africa because I be African. That make me talk like that. But what is wrong with us generally as humans? Why we not see ourselves as love? Why we like to kill ourselves? Why we like to cause pain for people body? Now because we know they use something to rub our body first before we do unto people. Now because of that one, make we stop. I beg you, my brothers. I beg you, my sisters. Just look this gorgeous, beautiful girl. Think for the mother. Think for the father. Think for that family. The pains they are going through now. Ask yourself, this girl really deserves to die? 18 years. She just started life when my brothers take the life from. Does she really need that death now when she not sick? When she not sick, wanna look this girl for eyes, my brothers and sisters, and say no to some certain things where we they do. We'll say no to it. Some people will say I never kill, but you don't know. You don't know. Drug where you they sell. Respect, kudos to you. But check your hearts. Check your beautiful soul. After all said and done, do you think you will be happy with people's blood? Do you think you will be happy with people's pain? Many people don't die because of these things where people they say. Not be only Africa they sell, and don't get me wrong. That is why I said I don't leave Africa aspect. I dey talk in general. I dey talk generally to humans. To any human where they hear pidgin English. What will it profit you, my beloved brother, my sweet sister, to kiss somebody and be happy that you've arrived? Do you think anything you use that money to do, you think say that money will be blessing money? You feel say you will get peace and joy? That some people will say rich people, not the person way too rich, not they get happiness. Now lie. When that money pure, you too get happiness. Big Gates get happiness there. He get happiness. It's very simple. People will make genuine money, they simple. People will crack their brain, they make money. People will they creative, they humble. When you see them, they don't get time to come they put gold, to come they put jewelries, to come they put. Hi, the program not finished for there. Just subscribe for me. I beg my beloved brothers and sisters, more take the help ourselves so that make you know as the topic say finish. I don't want to take your time. I don't know whether you dey busy. Now make me the cut time. Now 1 hour program. This one on part A we just watch finish. Try watch the part B so that me you know as I take finish the topic. Thank you very much for the encouragement. Thank you very much for for patronizing me. Thank you. Now me do this chain by myself. Now me do this earring by myself. If you need them, I beg you, patronize me, inbox me for my Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube so that we fit help ourselves. And so I will tell you as I'll fit send the stuff come for you. I dey sell bands. I dey sell bangle, these leather bands, different color. I not get them here with me right now. I will let you know as I'll fit the post them come for you. Now small money, more help ourselves, more help one another. If we want make our Africa, make our motherland be a better place. Make we start to do something more dey creative. I know say we together we can do it. I know say together we stand, but divided we all fall. So more stand together. No matter anything we person do you, no matter how you dey peace. I beg my brothers and sisters, try control them so that make the bad spirit for not see space to enter. If your brother and sister offend you, if your friend offend you, you see say you no one listening to you, you no one hear what you want talk, you no one hear anything concerning what you want to talk about, give am chance, give am time. Just let am be. Make you for day at peace with yourself. I just hope you understand. Not forget, as I first talk and follow me on my Facebook page, Sophie Universe. This one are the massive truth. Here now platform when I just feel so I fit to talk to my brothers and sisters. Anyhow you fit to talk. I don't volunteer myself to do example. Say you know me say the compulsory say you must sabi speak English before you feel let out what you want talk. Not be by English, you feel just speak your dialect and you know say what you want talk makes sense. On your camera, challenge yourself. Somebody there somewhere will be like you when you need them. So I beg we could help ourselves. Watch the part 2, watch the part B, so you will see how the topic or the program say end. I love you so much. I love you in the name of love. I beg you, no hate me, no vex for me because of one or two things. If you hate me, you dey give love, you dey give hate compliments. Just love me for who I be. Just love me because I be human being. If I offend you, I beg you, I not do it intentionally. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me so that make this love for grow, so that make our children for enjoy this beautiful planet Earth. Love you till I come your way again. Watch oh, not forget to watch part B till I come your way. No, that one too small now. Oh, this one's still too small.